where? Well, I'm in the nature. I would like to be in the wilderness, but that's quite relaxing atmosphere. And I want to talk about life, the meaning of life. It's not about money, I think. Life doesn't mean money. Life is all about love, all about passion, or yearning to live, to make the most of your life, the moment, and your whole capacity. If you can't fulfill your capacity, if you can't actualize yourself, if you can't, reach your goals, that is what makes you unhappy. That is what makes you really sorrowful. One should have an aim in life. One should have an objective in his or her long life. Okay, life, we're planning about life, and life is planning about ourselves. Life is all planning about us, and the life, always opens its doors. Many opportunities, many hardship, many difficulties, challenges. The ones who stand up for all this hardship and difficulties, then that's the person that person becomes really happy. That person really becomes, satisfied with all he's done in his life. I think to have long life doesn't mean that you satisfy yourself, but the ones who succeeded many things in his life in a short time, I think they die very happily. So never give up. Always do something for yourself. I do that for myself. For instance, I do love traveling, and I visit different countries, and that really broadens my horizon. That is what makes me happy. What do you think? All the best.